See the sea over there and see the river over here. Thank you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So family, after 3 weeks we connect the river to the sea. This is the result. In these few weeks, the river has taken its position back to its normal state. This is nature. We live in a beautiful world where some of the creations repairs itself. So never bother yourself about these people living around this jurisdiction. Many are afraid of the ecosystem, but the ecosystem itself is not afraid, which means that nature takes care of its own creation. Now, before and after is so clear and you can see the difference. Now the river has returned to its normal state. Follow me and like this video, repost it. If today is your first time, make sure you click the plus sign. Thank you.
Walk through the villages, smile with the people, feel the sunshine, peaceful and simple. The trees keep dancing with the wind so free. This is the life we're meant to see. Let's protect